Hello. So, I'm about to go brave this storm. I have been pretty much just chilling here all day waiting for the snow to chill out. But it doesn't seem like it's gonna do that. So, I'm gonna go now because if I don't, it will be dark and stormy, and I would rather it be light and stormy. So, yeah, I'm gonna brave the storm because I'm going out of my mind. Just sitting here. Let's go. So the thing is, it's not that bad when it's not super windy. But when it's windy, you can tell my face. This part has been protected, this part is not. And yeah, feeling great. Okay, so if I just walk backwards, it's fine. Except I can't see where I'm going. Should wear my goggles. Can't see. See, there's other people walking and they're walking backwards too. Oh, only one crazy enough to be out here in the storm is you, dear. That's what I should watch later. Yeah. Here's some nature vibes. Very snowy. So tonight I talked to a family that I had a connection with that they live in Anchorage, and basically it looks like I will be nannying for them and living with them next year in Anchorage. Unless something crazy happens between now and August that makes me not go to Alaska, this is it. This is what I've been manifesting. Now all I have to do is get a car. Anyways, while I go process that, I've been sitting here for 2 hours, is this real? So, if you made it to this point, thanks so much for watching. I appreciate you. I'll see you when I see you.